got a bad another shit I can't say. It's probably why God put these problems in my damn
Boss
way.
for everything. Whoa, whoa, yeah. Boss for everything. Ay, I swear to God, boss for everything. Yeah, boss for everything.
Yeah, I'm from the south side, Chicago, where they known to pop lit.
Welcome back to the show.
Shaboy.
Music Talks from a McLaren. Dude, this girl is blocked. I'm not trying to bring that up. I'm driving. I'm trying to enjoy my morning. And this girl is somehow calling me and then saying, oh, you're sure gonna ignore me? Yeah, you're blocked. How do you even texting and calling me?
It's not acceptable.
I'm trying to teach people.
Sit your ass down, man.
Anyway, just the current, like, legit, come over. No, like, you guys are more important than a crazy Instagram model. That's all I'm saying. Cuckoo. If she sees this, she's gonna kill me. But she won't. Anyway, today I want to talk about something that is a mindset that you need to understand. This is a marketing essential and something you need to understand because a lot of us are taking ourselves as music artists, right? We are music artists, but it's 2022. If you're watching this in 2023, it's 2023, just to make it feel more new because this is not gonna go away. And what I'm talking about here is gonna be the fact that you're not just a music artist, it's that you're an entertainer. You're not just releasing music anymore. You have to compete with everybody else who's releasing videos that are entertaining. They're releasing things that are like, well, anything. You know, you have to keep your audience entertained. If you're only releasing a song once every month, or you're only releasing music every so often, that becomes an issue because, you know, what are your fans getting between that? What are you doing to keep them entertained and let them know, hey, I exist and hey, you like me, you can like me, I'm a likable person. I'm not saying you gotta be a clown. I'm not saying you have to like, you know, perform for people like a you know, like circus monkey. But you know, you need to find something that's really gonna entertain your audience and entertain people that like you as a person. You need to have things that are, you know, something about you that you can release on a regular basis that's going to keep people interested in you, while at the same time, this is essential, something that is going to let people get to know you as a person and come into your world more. A lot of people make the mistake of just posting content that's content but isn't showing like your sense of humor or something that's going to make people go, man, I like him or her, I like this person, not just the music, but I like them.
Yes,
and
sir.
it goes both ways because even if your music's not amazing right now, but you're over here showing personality, people can like you and then they're gonna like your music more even if it's not amazing. And there's a lot of YouTubers whose music is not like, you know, personal opinion, it's not really that great, but of course they'll get better over time with practice. But they're building a massive audience for their music even when the audience isn't that good. Why? Because they've already entertained people and people already like them for them. You ever seen a YouTuber you kind of mad, you're like, I'm a real music artist. Like, why does this person have fans for their music and I don't? How do they have more monthly listeners? You know, it's, you know, you already know why, because they're entertaining people, right? But the thing is if you ever thought about combining both? You're really a music artist, well, your music's already better, right? Well, what if you were to find something that entertained people, got their attention and made them like you combine both? You're already ahead of the curve. You're already ahead of the people who are just making YouTube videos, right? So, because you've already put that skill set in, you've already put the time and the energy into actually becoming somebody who makes great music. You're ahead of them. Now, they're ahead of you as far as it comes to making content. So if you go in and you make content, then you know that's how it works. Right now you're pacing at both. You're getting ahead in two ways. You're not just moving at this speed. You're moving at this speed. There's an issue with only releasing music. I can tell you right now, no matter how many songs you release, it's becoming harder and harder with the way that people are consuming things at a faster pace, that you need to really stand out from the crowd and, you know, keep your fans entertained. It's just a mindset switch, and it's just a slight shift. I just want you to at least take that into account. Maybe you don't do it now, maybe you do it in 6 months. I just want to share that really quick video. That's it. I'm not even going to bother you. I just want to remind you, Music Industry Shortcut made it super cheap. Community people just like you. Don't want to over push it, but it's brand new. Whole new site, 150 masterclasses. I'm making it accessible for everybody. I just want to help everybody. You guys already know how it is. Damn near 1,000 free videos on this channel. Other people ain't even released free content. They're selling you stuff. I've cared from the beginning because I'm an artist just like you. Anyway, enough of that. Go make some videos. Go do something. Entertain your fans. Make people love you for you. All right? I'm Rob Level. This is Smart Rapper. You just got a little bit smarter. Keep hustling, gang. I'll see you at the top.
Boss for everything. Whoa, yeah. Boss for